Hey everyone, good to see you again. Stu here from ParchmentAI. Today we're going to have a quick tutorial on export settings. Now remember, ParchmentAI does not store your input data. The PDFs that you're uploading, the notes that you're putting in, all that client data, that does not get saved on the platform. The reports that you're generating, they do not get saved. And so when you generate a section like a background information section or a summary for a specific test score, you need to export that generation and put it into an external third-party tool, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, where you're building up your report over time. So what I built with export settings is a way to control the font size, the family, your preferences for how that should appear in that external tool to save you the time of editing it and having to clean it up again. You'll notice on the left here there's 3 tabs. General, this is specifically for choosing where you'd like your content to be exported to, so Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Text styles, this is the font family, the font size, the spacing between the lines, the margins, that type of stuff. And then the table details, where you can specify the headers, body cells, all the details that you would expect and that you're probably used to in other editors. So if we were to set, let's say, paragraph to 7 and change the color and then maybe go to Times New Roman, and then just set all these to 0 just to make it kind of really obvious that change is happening here for you. If we click into my custom template, I'll just click a specific section. You'll notice these export buttons all over the place. Anytime there is an editor, that is going to automatically apply those settings that we saved. So if I click export, I get this little green notification, and now if I come into a document and I paste this, you'll see that it applies all those settings. So that's just a way that you can very quickly save yourself some time setting up how it's going to apply font settings to anything that you export, so you just don't have to clean it up again when you paste it into your word building tool. Thanks.